how to stop TikTok from tracking your location. So hello guys, in this quick tool video, I will tell you how you guys can stop TikTok from tracking your location. So it was very easy. For that, we'll simply go to TikTok app. It works same on Android, iPhone, and Samsung. So here you guys can see TikTok app in my mobile. So I will simply hold on that. Once you hold on that, you guys will see IE option, delete option, share option. In some devices, you guys will see 3 dots or 2 dots. But in some devices, you guys will see 3 dots. So simply I will click on that ID option. Once you click here, you guys will see manage notifications, permission, battery usage. So simply click on permissions. Once you click on permission, you guys will see allowed. Also on down, you guys will see not allowed. And allowed, if you guys are seeing location, simply click on that location. Here you guys will see ask every time don't allow. So simply select don't allow, auto that back, and once you do that, TikTok will be stopped tracking your location, and it will not be possible for TikTok to access your location. And if the permission was not given already, that means the TikTok was not tracking your location. Thanks for watching.